Okay, my name is C. Thamodharan, Associate Professor at Department of Automobile Engineering, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research. The course name is Vehicle Body Engineering. Course code is BM702. Vehicle Body Engineering. Fourth unit, we have fourth unit, Commercial Vehicle Details. Fourth unit is Commercial Vehicle Details. We have medium commercial vehicles and light commercial vehicles, heavy commercial vehicles. These are the classifications. We have Ashok Leyland gets act from both to next light commercial vehicle arm. That's right. Ashok Leyland has received an approval from its board to merge its light commercial vehicle LCV subsidiaries, which were acquired from its SY partner Nissan with its up. The company has announced acquisition of joint venture companies from Nissan on November 25, 2016. Both the companies went through a short period of dispute before entering into a settlement agreement, according to earlier reports. The company has announced acquisition of joint venture companies from Nissan on November 25, 2016. The following LCV joint venture they entered into did not proceed as was expected. Both the companies went. This is one example for light commercial vehicle. There's one more, Tata is famous. Okay, so India's first indigenously developed sub 1 ton mini truck was launched in May 2005 at Commerce. Okay, the mini truck was a huge success in India. Okay, with auto analysis, climbing the ACE has changed the dynamics of light commercial vehicle market in the country by creating a new market segment. In Tamil, we call it as Kutiyan. In Tamil, people used to say Kutiyan. It's a famous. Okay, Tata Ace. Next one, a commercial vehicle is a type of vehicle that is used for commercial or business related purposes. The people who own private buses, business use a large number of vehicles for commercial purpose. The people who own private business use a large number of vehicles for commercial purpose. So, insuring commercial vehicles is a crucial precaution and is unfortunately more expensive than purchasing personal auto insurance. So, we have categories of small or medium commercial vehicles, SUV. To carry luggage one place to another place. Okay, Tata 207 DI. So telco line is active. Mahindra classification is Bolero and Max type. Bajaj Pajero. This category petrol, diesel, and CNG machines. Okay, we have pickup vans. Yeah, another one is an delivery vans. and passenger vans. This one is passenger. Curb weight 8 kg, curb weight 1800, grass weight 2950, weight, so curb weight 815, grass weight 1550, weight kg, curb weight 1000, grass weight 1600. Okay, that passenger is right, passenger van, then delivery vans, pickup vans. Next, we pass on to construction details of flat platform body. This is also one commercial types construction. We have top rail here, sideboard, pillar center, headboard planks, headboard castings. Here, floor planks, rear bearers support. Here, side rail or choke rail, rail guides. This one, we have rear bearers support, right? This is a long tunnel frame. This floor planks. This design, this construction, right? We have cross bearers, floor planks, side rail or choke rail. So these one in construction details, we have right cross bearers. They support longitudinal or bearer cleat. We call it as cleat. Okay, we have longitudinal plates, right? This is right. This is your source of the cross bearers to be mounted on longitudinal plates. Therefore, cross design bearers cleat. If you have this one, this node, we have side rail or choke rail, floor planks, headboard planks, headboard closing angle. Okay, the front cross bearers, this one, headboard, pillar side. This one headboard gusset. No, right? Triangle shape. Gusset to be welded. Yeah, or to be fastened. So some other method. Okay, gusset. Right, what actually the dust to be distributed, right side choke rail to pillar side. Okay, so this node we have longitudinal, so headboard planks, floor planks, headboard closing angle, front cross bearers, headboard, pillar center. Right, we are going to concentrate construction details of flat platform body. How to take right construction of flat platform body. Okay. Next, we pass on to tipper body. Okay, tipper body. You can write payload to be right tons of payload to be accommodated. Okay, so payload body plus hydraulic tire mass 4,000 estimated, payload 17,580. Cross body mass is 21,580. Road hog, this one tipper, this model of tipper body construction. All right, by reason unload we have hydraulically operated systems. easily you can dump of materials, right? Of any materials to be carried out to dump it very quickly by method of hydraulic systems. So this one, as per regulations, right? So 5360 theoretical wheelbase. Okay, so truck has a tire at axis, these dimensions. Cross mass at axis, these dimensions. These are 24,000. So payload gross vehicle mass 31,700 kg. Payload 70,580 kg. This overall length is 9460 from driver's cab to this tipper body 7077 through hoist 660 to rear end from CDC is 490. Okay, so we have classification right by tonnage of payload. So we have tipper body constructions. Next one, 6-bar linkage mechanism for hopper tipper hoisting. So we have classifications of tipper hoistings. So these and hopper tippers are used for carrying material and then to transfer to another vehicle. Small hopper tipper vehicles are very popular in urban areas for garbage clearance work and are used to design extensively to transport collected garbage over short distance and then to reload into bigger compactor trucks. This one is a typical hopper tipper. So on this one, tipper dumping into garbage compactor truck. This model, B model is tipper dumping into garbage compactor truck. Hopper tipper and its usage. Okay, unlike the normal truck tipper, where the material is dumped on the ground, a hopper tipper is used to dump material into another container, and hence the dumping height in a hopper tipper is almost at the same height as the top edge of his load body. Figure 2, this one. Okay, so this is a typical truck tipper, hopper tipper. So this is an inch pin. Okay, dumping height. This one A is a typical truck tipper, B is hopper tipper. This one inch pin, dumping height. Hoisting of the tipper body during dumping is accompanied by hydraulic cylinders due to the fact that the edge of the load body during a dumping needs to be at much higher levels in a hopper. So tipper, the inch pin level of the load body also needs to be at a much higher level. So these are two aspects of this. During dumping, the load body of a hopper tipper has to tilt by about 80 to 85 degrees. So compared to about 45 to 50 degrees in case of normal truck tipper. In order to, that is completed, empty the material body, figure 3. Okay. Next point, the hydraulic cylinder needs to have a long stroke to hoist the material body to the required height. Okay, this is a heave or linkage mechanism for a particular isomer. So working principle. Three-way hydraulic dumper main part is the tipping system mechanism. The tipping system mechanism is part of a three-way hydraulic duct. Okay, hydraulic cylinder is placed on the fixed chassis and piston end connected with the body by pivot joint. During the forward stroke of cylinder pushes piston and body is lifted. So forward stroke during dumping is unloading. Then a return stroke during body is placed in active position. Okay, this is a mechanism. So next one, we have a tanker. This is a tanker body. Tipper is over. Next, we pass on to tanker body. We know, all right, use of tanker body. Used to transport goods like detergent, varnish, edible oil, resins, fat, sugar in solution, liquid, gaseous, fuel, oil, milk, and water in bulk. So classification of tanker body. 1. According to type of liquid carrying, water tank body, fuel tank body, chemical liquids tank body. So the classification. According to the shape of the tanker body, shape, circular round cross section or elliptical cross section. Then according to bulkheads, so baffled tanks, unbaffled tanks, smooth bore tanks. Okay, these are the classification of tanker body. Here, okay, side, okay, labels, tanker, okay. So emergency provisions is there. Okay, so we have this one tanker body. Okay, this one side. So the classification of right already we are classified for according to the type of liquid carrying, according to the shape of the tanker body, according to bulkheads. So models. Okay, next to the right controls, forward control vehicles and normal control vehicles. And another one is normal control vehicles. How do you classify normal control vehicle and forward control? Engine location, based on engine location. Forward control, right is forward control engine, right in front of the, okay, drivers. Forward control vehicles. Next one is normal control. Okay, so this one upside of the axle, front axle. So this one, okay, driver's cabin. This one is an driver's cabin, normal control vehicle. This is also driver's cabin, forward control. Okay, so this one to this one. Okay, this is an fourth unit. commercial vehicle bodies. So we have this one, medium commercial vehicle, light commercial vehicles, heavy commercial vehicles. This one, small or medium commercial vehicles, I would have classified very clearly with the examples also. And construction of platform bodies also, right? How do we construct platform body? I would explain very clearly. Next one is a timber body. How payload, a huge payload to be to be dumped. Okay, for that we have tipper body. Okay, so this is an E-bar linkage mechanism for upper tipper on steam systems. And then working principle mechanisms of working of hydraulic systems. Tanker body constructions. All right, then that is a vessel features. Okay, this one water body or flat tank body. Right, while we are going to construct a water tank body, should take register precautions. Okay, right, design passage. According to the shape of the tanker body, according to bulkheads, the classification of tanker body. Then this is a type of tanker body. According to control, right, normal control vehicle, we have forward control vehicles. Based on the locations, we are classified for normal control vehicles and forward control vehicles. Okay, the fourth unit, I have completed fourth unit. This is up to this one, and we are covered for fourth unit. Next we pass on to fifth unit. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.